All right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another week of online learning. Yay! This week, if you go into the folder, week 4, you'll see that we have 4 activities again. It's going to be kind of similar to the last one where you're going to create a copy of the document and then kind of fill it in as you go. So, activity 1 has you working on some rhetoric with Romeo and Juliet and creating this document. So basically, you come here again, file, make a copy, save it on your own. Then you can decide if you want to work with other people, a maximum of 3 people in a group if you want to, or you can just do the whole thing alone. Totally fine also. However y'all want to do that. But what you're going to do is you'll be writing a TDEC using one of the passages from slides 16 and 17 last week. So here you'll put your name and information, remember what those were, and here's your prompt. Analyze how the speaker uses language to accomplish their purpose. And remember that the audience is whoever they're talking to. It's not the audience watching the actual play. So then you'll fill out the thesis. That's for activity 1. Activity 2 has you doing the rest of the TDEC. So the DEC planning right here, making sure we know how to do that. So this should all look really familiar. Filling in these blanks, you find a quote that helps you, what device is in there. Remember that appeals are not devices, but the appeal is the effect or result of the device. Elaboration, help giving context for the quote, and your commentary. Then we'll go back here. We've got activity 3, which is just going to be to actually write that TDEC and highlight it. So using all of your planning above, you will write it and highlight it TDEC. And no matter what, if you're working in a group and this is not your job, this portion, be sure to click and check this one out. It's an example of a strong Romeo and Juliet TDEC, just so that you have it. Moving on, we'll go to activity 4, which is where we're going to do some new stuff. That was all kind of review. So we'll go into a new portion of the play. So Act 3, Scene 1 is a big deal. A lot happens here. A lot of stuff goes down. So either you can read it, watch some stage performances of it, or this cool project that somebody did for a different English class. But basically, it's all Act 3, Scene 1. However you want to take it in, you can choose to do that. And then you're going to look at this information here and match it with what character it goes to. So, I am Fortune's fool. The person who says that, who is this? Is that Romeo, Mercutio, or Tybalt? The guy in the red vest in this drawing, who is that? Put him here. Thinks his friend is a coward and fights in his place. Who is that? Put them there. So just copy those and paste them in there. And that's all we're doing, activities 1 through 4. Once you do that, you need to submit it. You're going to, again, hit share. You'll copy the link. And then go to the same, it's like the similar document as last time. Enter your last name, first name, what period you're in, and then paste that link there. And then you'll submit it so that I have it. And even if you work in a big group, a group of 3 or a group of 2, or if you're alone, every single person has to submit it. This is how you'll get the credit, through your submission of the link to your doc that you made. Let me know if you have any questions. Join me in office hours if you have questions, if you just want to chat or whatever. Have a good week.